Well, this is the hardest part, documenting my disaster trade. However, I have to for me to learn. Anyway, this is a direct result when you are gambling and not trading. See, I've just traded on the non-farm payroll. Will, and it cost me a lot. So you could just imagine that. When overconfidence stocks in, you feel so good, then there you go. I'm caught off guard, then here I am, losing a trade. A very big one. It's 45 pips. There you go. So that's it. I just lost 45 pips. And let's see the history. There. This is what I get. Ooh. See? So 47 pips. That's $24. I just lost $24. So that's what I get. I'm not following my created proven system. And I tried my luck, so therefore I'm not trading. I am now officially gambling.